have Kunal and Naresh back with us. And Kunal, let me come to you and ask you, what's your chart buster? What are you tracking for us today?
So there are few PSU names as well as few stocks which have been actually showing signs of some divergence at play. So I've taken PFC Power Finance, and interestingly over the last few weeks where the stock has been seeing some aggressive selling pressure, we've actually seen the stock holding up to this base just around the 370-75 kind of a mark or a price territory. Now, interestingly, in this base, the stock has formed a bullish RSI divergence where the stock has been making a pattern of higher lows on the RSI. That generally is an indication that maybe this could be a very strong base. And once the stock bounces back again, then we could be looking at the stock hitting levels of at least 400 to 420 kind of a zone. So short-term play, PFC, a stock which if holds to that 375 plus mark could be a good contra bet for the very near term.
You can look at PFC as a contra bet. What about you, Naresh, and what are you tracking for us in Chartbusters?
So looking at a defensive Cipla, which has been holding on in the last few weeks, above that 1400 mark, 2-3 bottoms out there, on verge of a breakout above 1500. So a preemptive buy here, risk reward trade with a stop loss at 1420, target price of 1600 to 1700 in the short to medium term.
Right, so that is Cipla that Naresh is tracking for us, and that brings us to then your picks. Then, Kunal, what are your chartbuster ideas that our viewers can watch out for?
So I'll go with the one buy and one sell. The buy is from the pharma pack. It's a buy in Glenmark Pharma. The stock forming a bullish hammer kind of a formation on the intraday charts. 1400 as a target. Stop loss could be kept at 1320. Can trail the stop loss higher. And the second would be a sell in ICICI Bank. The stock is on the verge of a break below its 200-day moving average. So near term target of 1200. Stop loss at 1260.
All right, so it's a buy and a sell call, a buy coming in for Glenmark Pharma, and notable recovery actually when you talk about Glenmark Pharma from the day's lowest point. But what about you, Naresh? What are your ideas?
So first would be a buy in Manappuram Finance. The stock continues to flip between 180 to 100 odd levels. Gold prices also moving up higher. You have Muthoot Finance hitting new all-time highs. So this could catch up in the medium term. Stop loss at 185, target price of 220. Second is a buy on UPL, which has clearly shown leadership in the move and has been holding on and showing a lot of resilience. Stop loss at 600, target price of 660.